Tips and tricks. Tip for the day. Have you ever had the need to look at some equipment and its current status, and you want to see it as soon as you log in by having it available to you on your dashboard? So this is what we're going to show you how that's accomplished today. So if you select your dashboard, and we'll go with your personal dashboard first, and on your personal dashboard, you'll notice you have some widgets there already, but I want to add a widget. So I hit the Add button, and then all of these widgets that are listed in the right column are available to you to add to your list. So I'm going to add, for instance, this one that says kilowatt hour consumption chart for this office. And I click on it and say Add, and now it's available on my widget list here, my dashboard. And there it is, kilowatt hour consumption chart for our office. And that's how you add a widget to your dashboard.